We encompass the whole aircraft. We have a lot of programs that we can use to find these answers out, and we can also reach back to Fort Worth to get the job done so they can get at FMC. When we have an aircraft that's down for a while, it's really a good feeling to see that aircraft block out and take off. It's exciting just because we know we did our job and we did it well.
Before starting, I ask you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and at the end, share this video with your friends. Let's go to the video.
Lemoore is unique because it is the hub of the West Coast for naval aviation.
We are the largest F-18 base in the world, as well as now we have the F-35s for the entire Navy here.
The mission of VFA 125 is to train to fight and fight to train.
This is where they train the future pilots and next generation maintainers for the F-35 Charlie. Working on a 5th gen fighter is easier than working on a Gen 4 fighter because everything is there for us. It's maintainer friendly. And here at Lockheed Martin, we practice the nose to tail concept, meaning that I can perform any task assigned to the aircraft. The benefits of being a nose to tail maintainer, we're able to fit in any place the Navy or Marines need us to be, from going from different shops to working on different systems. The F-35 Charlie is a supercomputer. It gives you the codes you need to fix whatever problem it has.
I would describe my job as being jack of all trades because I specifically do a lot of things with the sustainment team, but mostly I deal with power plants, fixing the engine. Every 50 and 100 aircraft flight hours, we borescope the engine. Working with the borescope entails probe the engine in certain spots to look for any sort of burns, bends, dents, to make sure the engine is not damaged internally. Here at the Air Station, we work hand in hand with the Marines and the Navy to keep the aircraft flying. It's one team, one fight.
PFF stands for Pilot Fit Facility. What that entails is that we bring the pilots here and we size, build, and fit their helmets to them. And we do a 3D render scan of their entire head so we can get the proper size and fit for their helmet. And we take those measurements and implement them into the helmet. We get it in pieces, we have to put it together, we run it through the systems check itself. We have the pilot come back for our day 2 function, and what we do is we have them sit in the mock ejection seat that we have here in the shop. We run them through visual components, audio, and fit and comfort. The Gen 3 helmet is so special because it is the tip of the spear. It has the highest functioning display system integrated to the visor, and nobody else has this. You're working on the highest technology out there right now.
Sustainment is a team effort, and it requires avionics, power plants, airframes, administration, pilots. It's one whole unit to create sustainment. When we're sustaining this aircraft, we're pretty much saying, hey, this aircraft's good to go 100% of the time that you need it. Without that, it would render the mission ineffective, and it could put lives at stake. There's certain times where a jet will come in and it's like, we don't understand what this is, and right away the maintainers were in the books and we're trying to find out like that the door's not closing all the way, probably because this torque tube isn't properly rigged. And what I would do is diagnose and I would troubleshoot the aircraft. And if it's out of my realm, then I would go to a higher personnel such as the FSCs.
So an FSC is a field service engineer. We're out here with the Navy, helping them troubleshoot problems, get drawing numbers, get anything they need to make this aircraft capable to do its mission. We encompass the whole aircraft. We have a lot of programs that we can use to find these answers out, and we can also reach back to Fort Worth to get the job done so they can get at FMC. When we have an aircraft that's down for a while, it's really a good feeling to see that aircraft block out and take off. It's exciting just because we know we did our job and we did it well.